Have you ever wondered what secrets the world's largest rainforest, the Amazon, is hiding? Spanning across 9 countries in South America, the Amazon is a vast, verdant wonderland that covers more than 2.3 million square miles. This massive expanse of green is often referred to as the planet's lungs, producing over 20% of the world's oxygen. But the Amazon is more than just a massive oxygen factory. It's a treasure trove of biodiversity, hosting an incredible array of unique and exotic species. From the elusive jaguar to the vibrant macaw, from the minute poison dart frog to the towering kapok tree, the Amazon is a living library of life in all its varied forms. The forest also houses uncontacted tribes, living in isolation from the modern world, preserving ancient ways of life. The Amazon is more than just a forest. It's a world teeming with life, a testament to nature's grandeur. What if I told you that the Amazon rainforest plays a critical role in the world's oxygen supply? This lush green expanse stretching over 2.7 million square miles is often referred to as the Earth's lungs. But why is that? Well, it's all thanks to a little process called photosynthesis. Plants, including those in the Amazon, absorb carbon dioxide, sunlight, and water to produce oxygen and glucose. This oxygen then gets released back into the atmosphere, contributing significantly to the world's supply. But the Amazon does more than just produce oxygen. It also acts as a carbon sink, absorbing around 2 billion metric tons of carbon dioxide annually, helping to offset the effects of human-induced climate change. Imagine the Amazon as a colossal natural air conditioner, stabilizing global climate and keeping our planet cool. It's a role that no other forest can play quite as effectively. In essence, the Amazon is the Earth's lungs and we are heavily dependent on it for our survival. But what happens when the lungs of the Earth start to shrink? The Amazon rainforest, our planet's most significant source of oxygen, faces threats that could lead to its irreversible decline. Deforestation is one of the most significant perils, with trees being cut down at an alarming rate to make way for agriculture, cattle ranching, and urban development. This not only reduces the forest's capacity to produce oxygen, but also leads to the loss of habitat for countless species, disrupting the rich biodiversity of the region. Illegal logging, another major threat, is driven by the high demand for exotic hardwoods. This illicit activity not only depletes the forest but also undermines local communities, robbing them of their traditional livelihoods. Mining too poses a severe risk. With the Amazon's rich mineral resources, mining operations are expanding, leading to deforestation, pollution, and displacement of indigenous communities. And finally, we have to talk about climate change. Rising global temperatures are causing severe droughts in the Amazon, making it more susceptible to wildfires. These fires not only destroy vast swaths of forest, but also release vast amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, accelerating global warming. The magnitude of these threats is staggering, and the rate at which they are depleting the Amazon is truly alarming. The Amazon is under siege, and if we don't act now, we might lose it forever. So, what can you do to help preserve the Amazon rainforest? You may think that the fate of the Amazon is out of your hands, but that's far from the truth. You have more power than you realize, and there are many ways you can contribute to the protection of this majestic forest. Firstly, consider supporting organizations that are dedicated to protecting the Amazon. These groups work tirelessly to safeguard the ecosystem and the indigenous communities who call the rainforest home. Your donations, no matter how small, can make a significant difference in their efforts. Secondly, think about your consumption habits. The demand for paper and wood products contributes to deforestation. By reducing your consumption, recycling, and choosing products from sustainable sources, you can help decrease the pressure on our forests. Thirdly, raise your voice. Speak up about the importance of the Amazon. Share your knowledge with friends, family, and your social networks. Encourage others to join the cause. The more people are aware of the value of the Amazon and the threats it faces, the more we can do to protect it. Lastly, remember that every little step matters. Even the smallest changes in our daily lives can add up to a significant impact. Remember, every effort counts, and together we can ensure the survival of the Amazon, our planet's greatest natural treasure.